Mark is a controller whose team consists of power users that create, maintain, and distribute reports within the organization. This has always been a manual process involving multiple reporting tools and a heavy reliance on Excel to get the needed output into the right format, which significantly impacted the speed of month-end close. Mark's goal is to automate these manual processes, leaving himself and his team more time for important work, like analysis. Within Solver, Mark has the ability to manage and track tasks and responsibilities around the monthly close. This keeps his team working together effectively, so each item is completed in the right sequence by the right person with all necessary reviews and approvals in place. This month, a new company was acquired that is now being tracked in the existing ERP, which is connected to Solver. Mark needs to make sure the new company is properly accounted for in the monthly financial package before reports are distributed. To add this company to an existing organizational hierarchy, he inserts the new company directly into the organizational tree in the section where it should be displayed. With a couple clicks, he has now updated all dependent reports simultaneously, whether that's 10 or 200, ensuring complete consistency across the board. Once the hierarchy is updated, Solver is able to automate the necessary consolidation and elimination entries, as well as run currency conversion for the offices that have international business, without need for manual updates or calculations. All of this flows seamlessly into financial statements and other reports, reflecting all updates and adjusting entries. Mark is able to validate completed work at any time by accessing the full library of report templates he is able to run on demand. These report templates are organized and distributed with the use of categories, which make it easy for him or any user to find exactly what they're looking for based on the type of information that is needed and their level of access. Before issuing the monthly financial package, Mark wants to include a new monthly flash report. From directly in the web browser, Mark can select the option to launch the design interface so he can create the new report. Since the Solver design experience is entirely Excel-based and built to be managed by business users, he can easily handle all updates without the need for developers. To add additional data, he simply drags and drops the fields he wants to include in his report from the designer menu on the left-hand side directly into the Excel worksheet. For formatting and calculations, he is able to leverage the full power of Excel, a tool he is already very familiar with, and add formulas, charts, graphs, conditional formatting, and various fonts and colors. This allows him to meet the most detailed layout requirements with ease. Once all close tasks and analysis have been completed, Mark can quickly distribute reports across the organization to those who should receive a copy for review. This distribution can be fully automated and pre-scheduled with the use of Solver's Publisher tool, or on an individual on-demand basis by user or user group, with the ability to add additional comments for explanation or to point out areas that may require attention. With Solver, Mark is able to automate existing manual and error-prone processes, speeding up the monthly close and freeing up time for more in-depth analysis and review, keeping management better informed, faster.